Now see question number 4. In an arithmetic progression, 19th term is 52 and 38th term is 128. Find the sum of first 56 terms. So we have to find the value of Tn. So we write given part first. So in given part T19, which is equals to 52, T38, which is 128. So we have to find value of A, value of D. So we write here to find value of A and D using nth term of an arithmetic progression formula. So we use the formula Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So we replace here value of n. So for first term, which is given T19 as 52. So for this formula we write n equals to number of terms. A is the first term, D is common difference, Tn is the nth term. So we find A and D from this formula. Tn equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. So for T19, that means we replace this T19 as 52 and value of n as 19 in this formula. So we write here T19 equals to A plus 19 minus 1 into D. So 19 minus 1 is 18 and T19 is 52. So we denote this as equation number 1. Similarly, second value is given T38 equals to 128. So we replace this T38 by 128. A plus 38 minus 1 into D. So 38 minus D, we get 37D. So this is equation number second. We just replace the value of Tn in this formula according to the term T19 and T38. So from that we get equation 1 and equation 2. Now equation 1 and equation 2 are the simultaneous equations. So we have to subtract these two equations. So we write here subtract equation 1 from equation second. We get, so we subtract LHS. So we subtract LHS of equation 1 from equation second. So we write in LHS 128 minus 52 and RHS is A plus 37D. So we subtract A from A and this 18 from 37D. So we write 37D minus 18D. So in LHS we get 128 minus 52, which is 76. This plus A minus A get cancelled. So we get 37 minus 18D as 19D. So divide both sides by 19. We get D equals to 4. Now we have to find the value of A. So we substitute value of D in equation number 1. So equation 1 is this 52 equals to A plus 18 into D. So substitute value of D in equation 1 to get value of A. So substitute this D as 4. So we replace this D by 4. So 18 4s are 72. Now transfer this 72 to left hand side. We get minus 72. So 52 minus 72, which is minus 20. So in this way we get value of D, that is common difference, and value of A, that is first term. So we have to find the sum of first 56 terms. So we write here to find value of S 56, we will use formula of sum of inner terms, that is Sn equals to n by 2 twice A plus n minus 1 into D. So we substitute the value of n as 56, value of A as we calculated So we substitute here in this formula this a as minus 20 and this d, which is common difference, by 4, and this n by minus 20, here n by 36. So 56 upon 2 we get here 28. These 2 into minus 20 we get minus 40. 56 minus 1 we get 55, and this 4 as it is. So in this way 55 4s are 220. So after adding this we get 180. Now multiply this 180 with this 28, we get 5040. So this is sum of 56 terms. So there is no need to write here n, a, d, sn every time. This is for your convenience. What is n, what is a, what is d, what is sn. Now say question number 5th. Complete the following activity to find the sum of natural numbers from 1 to 140 which are divisible by 4. So here activity is given. So first we see the activity, then we calculate one by one. From 1 to 140 natural numbers divisible by 4. So the number divisible by 4 means that number multiple of 4. So 4 is first number, 8 is second number, then third number is 12, and so on. Last number we take 136. How many numbers? That means we have to find here the value of n. Then value of n, value of a, value of d. That means first term and common difference we have to find. Then Tn equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. That means we have to substitute that values in this formula, and then we calculate the value of n. Then we calculate the Sn. So we complete this activity. Also we have to find sum of numbers from 1 to 140 which are divisible by 4. So first we write the given part here. List of natural numbers divisible by 4 between 1 to 140 is. So we take the numbers divisible by 4 from 1 to 140. So first number is 8, second number is 4, second number is 8, third number is 12, and last number we get 136. So from this we say here, where first term a equals to 4, second term, here is print mistake, t2 is equals to 8, third term t3 equals to 12. So the common difference d equals to t3 minus t2. t3 is 12, t2 is 8. So we write d equals to 4. So we have last term 136, which is the value of Tn. So we write Tn is equals to 136. So we use the formula Tn equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. So we write here, now by using nth term of an arithmetic progression formula, Tn equals to a plus n minus 1 into d, where n equals to number of terms, a is the first term, d is the common difference, and Tn is the nth term. We can find value of n by substituting all the values in the formula we get. So we use this formula for calculating the value of n, because we know the value of a, we know the value of d, that is common difference, and we know the value of nth term. So we use this formula for calculating the value of n. So we substitute this Tn as 136 for as value of a, that is value of first term, and this d common difference which we calculate 4. So here we substitute all the values. So this 4 we transfer to left hand side, we get 136 minus 4, and we multiply this 4. So we write this 4 at first position, 4 into n minus 1. Now 136 minus 4, we get 132. Now we divide 132 by 4. So we get here 33. So n minus 1 equals to 33. We require the value of n. So we transfer this minus 1 to left hand side. We get n equals to 34. Now we know the value of n. We know the value of first term. We know the value of common difference. So we use the formula for Sn. Now by using the sum of nth terms of an arithmetic progression, we will find its sum. So we write here formula Sn equals to n by 2 twice a plus n minus 1 into d. So we write here n is the number of terms, a is the first term, d is the common difference, Sn is the sum of n terms. So we substitute values. Thus substituting given values in formula, we can find the value of S34. So here we write n as 34. So we write here S34 equals to n by 2 means 34 by 2 equals to twice a is 4, so 2 into 4 plus n minus 1, n is 34, so 34 minus 1 into 4. So we calculate this. When we divide 34 by 2, we get 17. This 2 into 4, we get 8. 34 minus 1, we get 33, and this 4 as it is. Now 33 into 4, we get 132. So we add this 132 with this 8, we get 140. So 17 into 140, we get 2380. So we get sum of 34 term. So yes, 34 equals to 2380. So we know all the values. Now see question number 6. Sum of first 50 terms in an arithmetic progression is 3300. Find its 28th term. So here sum of first 55 terms in an arithmetic progression is given. That means the value of S55 is given, which is 3300. We have to find 28 term. So we have to find T28. So we write given part, given S55 equals to 3300, where n equals to 55. Now by using the sum of nth terms of an arithmetic progression, we find its sum. So we write the formula Sn equals to n by 2 twice a plus n minus 1 into d. So substitute the values. So you know n is number of terms, a is the first term, d is common difference, Sn is sum of n terms. Thus on substituting the given values in formula, we get, so we substitute here S55. So value of n is 55. So we write n by 2, that is 55 by 2 twice a plus n minus 1, that is 55 minus 1 into d. So we substitute S55 as 3300. So 55 upon 2 as it is, and this twice a plus 54 into d. So we take 2 common here. So we write 2 into a plus 27d. So these 2 get cancelled with these 2. So we get 3300 equals to 55 into a plus 27d. So we divide this 3300 by 55, we get 60. So we write a plus 27d equals to 60. So we denote this as equation number 1. So this is simultaneous equation. Now we use this second condition. We have to find 28 term. So we write here, we need to find a value of 28 term, that is T28. So we use the formula Tn is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. Now by using the nth term of an arithmetic progression formula, so we write Tn equals to a plus n minus 1 into d, where n is number of terms, a is first term, d is common difference, and Tn is the nth term. We can find value of T28 by substituting all the values in the formula we get. So we write here Tn equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. So we have to find T28. So we write T28 is equals to a plus n is 28. So we write 28 minus 1 into d. So T28 equals to a plus 27d. So from equation 1 we get T28 equals to a plus 27d, which is 60. So we substitute this a plus 27d by 60. So we get T28 equals to 60.